Finally, all packed up. And as always, leave no trace. Well, I've chased the sunset to the beach, and I got some wine, I got some chicken, I'm all set for the night. Now I need to go find me a spot. So I only did 2 miles before I said fuck it and caught a lift to the transit station and then caught buses and trains here. Yeah, I wanted to get here before sunset hit and I just barely made it. Fuck yeah. So that puts me at a total mileage of 7,773. Fuck yeah. And it's about to be an awesome night. Just look at that sunset. Hell yeah. This is the view behind me. So right over there is the cops. Walk. As long as they don't come over this way, I'm all good. Beach don't close till 10 anyways. But I don't really want them knowing I'm here. I don't need them to have a reason to come back and look-see. Well, I'm all packed up and I'm getting ready to go head back to my buddy's house and prepare for my next set of adventures. Next, I'm heading to Oregon and then Washington and who knows where after that. Well, I'm all packed up As always, leave no trace. This is just so beautiful. God, it's so freaking beautiful. And the adventure continues. And as always, where are you? It's your hit. Don't make me smoke all this weed by myself. Find me, follow me, see where I am. Come out and walk 1 mile with me, and I will show you magic. I've got my wine, my dinner, my weed, and this amazing view. Fuck yeah. Much love and much peace, you all. Oof.
There she goes again. She's about to flip, flip, flip.